CSERA Private Limited recently conducted a hands-on cybersecurity workshop at Islamic International University Islamabad, Male Campus. Tailored specifically for university students, this workshop provided a unique opportunity to delve into the dynamic field of cyber defense. In today's digital age, the imperative to safeguard information and networks has never been more crucial. Through interactive exercises and exploration of the latest cybersecurity tools, participants gained practical, real-world skills. They were also given insights into common cyber threats and how to counter them effectively. From setting up secure networks to understanding the intricacies of ethical hacking, this workshop covered a wide range of topics. Its main goal? To empower university students with the expertise they need to navigate the ever-evolving digital security landscape. The energy in the room was palpable as students engaged in hands-on activities and showcased their problem-solving abilities. They were given a chance to not only learn about cybersecurity, but also to apply their knowledge in a practical setting. The workshop fostered a collaborative environment, allowing students to learn from each other and exchange ideas. It was an incredible opportunity to network with experts in the field and gain valuable insights for future endeavors. At the end of the day, these university students left the workshop equipped with a new set of skills and knowledge to defend against cyber threats. They are now armed with the tools to protect themselves and their communities in this ever-evolving digital era. Thank you for watching this video on the Cybersecurity Workshop at FOI, empowering students to defend in the digital age. If you found it informative and engaging, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Stay safe and see you soon.